The table below shows the amount of earnings for a number of cups sold. We need to determine if these two sets of data are proportional. To do that, we're going to look to see if we have equivalent ratios. First, we need to determine, do we want to have some amount of earnings per cup sold? Or are we more interested in some amount of cups sold per dollar? Well, we don't know how much a cup is worth, so if we're focused on just $1, we may get part of a cup. So that sounds a little silly to me. I'm going to look and work with earnings per cup sold. That way we know we get a whole cup. So starting off, we're going to get 9.75 divided by 3. We need to get our unit rate, so we're going to divide by 3's to the top and the bottom. We get a 1 in the denominator, and when we set up our division, the first number goes inside. 9.75. 3 is on the outside. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 take away 9 is 0. We bring down 7. 3 goes into 7 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 take away 6 is 1. Bring down 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 take away 15 is 0. And we need to bring up the decimal. So we find $3.25 for 1 cup sold. That is for our first entry. Looking now at 16.25 over 5, we're going to divide by 5's. We'll get a 1 in the denominator, and we're going to set up 16.25 on the inside, and 5 is on the outside. 5 into 1 is 0 times. 5 into 16 is 3 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 16 take away 15 is 1. Bring down a 2. 5 goes into 12 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. 12 take away 10 is 2. Bring down 5. 5 times 5 makes 25. And 25 take away 25 is 0. Bring up the decimal. And so we find that this ratio is $3.25 earnings for 1 cup sold. So far, we have equivalent ratios. We're now going to look at 22.75 for 7 cups sold. We're going to divide by 7 to the top and the bottom. We're going to get a 1 in the bottom. And now we need to set up division. 22.75, our first number, goes inside. We have 7 on the outside. 7 goes 0 times into 2. 7 goes 3 times into 22. 7 times 3 is 21. We subtract and get a 1. Bring down 7. 7 times 2 would make 14. Subtract. 17 take away 14 is 3. Bring down 5, and we get 7 times 5 to give us 35. 35 take away 35 is 0. So we bring up our decimal, and we have $3.25 earnings for 1 cup sold. Once again, we have an equivalent ratio. The final is 29.25 for 9 cups sold. We're going to divide by 9 to get a 1 on the bottom. If we divide by 9 on the denominator, we divide by 9 in the numerator. 29.25 is on the inside, and 9 is on the outside. 9 goes 0 times into 2. 9 times 3 makes 27. 29 take away 27 is 2. Bring down a 2. 9 times 2 is 18. 22, take away 18 is 4. Bring down the 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 45, take away 45 is 0. Bring up the decimal, and we get $3.25 earnings for 1 cup sold, which gives us a fourth equivalent ratio. So yes, this is a proportional relationship, and our constant of proportionality is 325/1.